Here are the tests on my 1997 American Standard Cadet 2. I have it with an original 1996 American Standard Cadet 2 handle, just for the appearance. I have it set to 1 inch approximately below the overflow top, as it says right down there, and I have it on an original 2001 American Standard flapper. So let's give it a flush and then do some tests. It honestly has a good flush, I'm not gonna lie. I hope the performance will be decent, if not good. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be good, but I hope it's not gonna be punishable, because I honestly would prefer to restore this than to smash it. And I'm just gonna get this out of the way. So, let's try a washcloth. The tank is just about to the water level, and it's done filling right now. So, I think it'll pass. It did great. I think it did just under perfect. It definitely was not perfect, but it was still pretty great. It did great. So, I did do tests on another one of these from 1998, but as you can probably remember, it was missing the bottom part of the trapway, so the results may not have been accurate. And that's why I'm doing tests on this one. So let's try a bag now. I think it's going to clog on this, and it's going to clog on the dish towel, and I think it's going to do pretty well in the dirt, but let's see how it does on the bag. It struggled but passed. One problem I see with front flushers is there's the big blast of water that goes straight forward, and it shoves stuff down the hole and it shoves up here. So if the bag sort of splits and gets caught around here, it just sort of hangs there because it's being pressed up and pressed forward. And then at the end of the flush, when the water stops, it goes down. So let's add some water to the bowl and then try a dish towel. Once again, this is probably going to clog. Well, dang. That did well. I mean, it struggled, but it's better than pretty much every single Cadet 2 knockoff I've seen. It's definitely better than that stupid Peerless Hancock over there. I smashed the other one because of how terrible it was. So, I'm adding some water to the bowl. Now let's try a dirt test. There's a little ant on it. Once again, I think this is probably going to do well, just because front flushers tend to do well with this stuff unless they're those cheap ones that don't have all the rim jets punched out. But let's see how it does. It left about 3 floaters. It could use a little work around the sides. Definitely still usable. Did pretty well, actually. This toilet definitely isn't as bad as I thought it would be, and it's not as bad as the knockoffs. I mean, I could battle it against that Mancessa if I still had it, but that one sold a while ago, so I guess I'll just restore this one and sell it as well. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications. It helps my channel a lot, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.